Investing in the stock market can be expensive, but I'm here to help you with the 3 top stocks to buy now under $10. And the first stock that we're going to be going over in this video is going to be none other than Vera Therapeutics. So today Vera Therapeutics is up about 1% and 0.10% in after hours. Obviously it's a Friday. We won't be trading again until Monday, but you'll be seeing this video on Sunday. So it won't have started trading yet. And most likely there's not going to be any other news on it. So you're going to be getting the most up-to-date information. Just want to say that. But in the past week, it's down about 2%, past month, up 3%, down 58% in the past 3 months, and down about 61% in the past year. Now, you might be saying, hey, I don't like this drop off. What happened? Basically, some bad news came out, but it's not bad news for the long term. It was really just bad news for the short term. Basically, they didn't get something they wanted, but nothing that actually changes any of the actual fundamentals of the company. So we're all good there. Vera Therapeutics basically just got a price cut, and now we all get to invest in it at a smaller rate, which is all good with me. Basically, Vera Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotechnical company that engages in the development and commercialization of transformative treatments for immunological diseases. So it has different products that are all in the health sector. That's really what you need to know. You don't need to know anything else really about it. But the company was founded in 2016, so it's a relatively new company. It has 37 employees. The market cap is going to be at about $200 million, which is honestly not that much for a company that has actually been very active in the kind of meme investing community, just because a lot of people see a lot of upside in this stock, and it's pretty low in terms of it only being about $7. A lot of people have really liked to trade the stock. As now you can see it was at $25 at one point. Today it's about $7. So yeah, we're bouncing back, and this is going to be a very good kind of growth play for the future. If you're looking for something that has a lot of upside, this is going to be something that if they get the right, approvals from the US government, they're going to be back up there in the 20s, 30s, 40s. So definitely look for this one to be a big gainer in your portfolio going forward. And don't just listen to me, listen to TipRanks. TipRanks is a place where I do forecast for stocks, and it's basically median is going to be a $19 forecast for the next 12 months. So yeah, they have it as a moderate buy. 4 people say to buy, 2 people say to hold, and it's at about $19, which is 165% upside from here. There's a high of $38. That's if they get all the right approvals and everything, or there's a low of $6, which is very close. So the average is about $19. This would about double your money if it were to do that, or even triple your money almost. So definitely look into buying this one. Remember, do your own due diligence. Make sure you look at everything before you invest for yourself. It's not financial advice, but yeah, take a look at Vera. It's definitely an interesting one to be holding in your portfolio. But yeah, before we get into the next stocks, I do want to mention, guys, we're giving away a free week of our premium alerts in our stock options trading Discord. So if you guys want to trade stock options, then you guys can join this trading Discord right here. We did 268% gains, and I put this out at about 9 a.m. today. By the end of the day, it was up 260%. So if you guys want to join and just test it out, go ahead and do that. We're giving away a free week. So go ahead and use the first link in the description, join our Discord. It's free to join. But yeah, other than that, let's get into the second stock for today, which is going to be the Real. Ticker symbol REAL, REAL. And right now it's down 8% on the day. In the past week, it's up about 18%. Past month, actually up 87%. It's actually been killing it, 39% in the past 3 months, and down 75% in the past year. But that's because all stocks have been doing bad. It's been having a great bounce back in the past month, especially. But yeah, let's go over what this basically is. It's an online marketplace for co-signed luxury goods. So kind of an e-commerce platform type deal. It engages in the co-signment of luxury goods across multiple categories, including women's, men's, all that jazz. It sells pieces from designers such as Chanel, Christian Louboutin, Gucci, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Celine, Jimmy Choo, basically any luxury brand that you can think of. They basically co-sign and sell these luxury goods. So yeah, they have 3,300 employees. They were founded in San Francisco in 2011. Their market cap is very similar to Vera. Actually, it's basically the same, 203 million. So it just takes a few bigger guys to get, big players to get in this, and we can see the real, or ticker symbol real, just take off. The average volume is about 4.3 million shares traded every day. Today was very similar, 3.87 million, and the high today was about $2, but at one point it was even at $10, and I definitely think it can get back there considering the sector they're in and how well they are doing. Now, what does TipRanks think about this? TipRanks thinks that they have a 77% upside. The average is about $3.69. There's a high of $6, which would be tripling your money, or low of $2, which would be about where we are right now for February 2024 next year. So I definitely agree. There's 3 people saying buy, 2 people saying hold, 0 people saying sell. I think this stock has a lot of upside, and if you're a guy who likes a lot of upside on your stocks, then the real is something that you should be looking into. But yeah, let's get into our third and final stock, and that is going to be Assertio, and that's going to be at ASRT ticker symbol. So it's down about 1% today. It's up 2% in the week, down 2% on the month, up 54% in the past 3 months. So in the past year, probably up 65% as well. It's just been killing it this year, and they are still looking to gain even more. Now you might be wondering, what is Assertio? And it's going to be engaging in the provision of commercial pharmaceutical products. Its commercial portfolio of branded products focuses on the following areas: neurology, hospital, and pain and inflammation. So it's basically in the pharmaceutical area, which obviously these things do well when they get approval from the government. So that's kind of what you're waiting for. But also, they've just been doing extremely well as a company. So their price has obviously over the past year just been continually going up. So this is a great growth company. Also, another market cap right here at 198 million. They are all within 5 million of each other. These are small. The price to earnings ratio is about $7, which is absolutely great. If you're under $20, that means you're kind of undervalued. The average volume is about 1.25 million, so this is traded a good amount, but today about 850,000 people traded this stock, or there were 850,000 trades. And yeah, I mean, high today was about $4.20. They are at their highs. At one point they were at $1.86, but this is a very good company. And yeah, TipRanks thinks that they have about a 68% upside, and they have 2 different analysts giving predictions on this. The lowest price target, $6.75, the highest price target, $7. So they assume that there's at least about a 60 to 70% upside over the next year for this. Definitely take a look at Assertio if you're interested in getting into that pharmaceutical game, or just having a growth stock in your portfolio. Remember, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. But yeah, make sure you guys join our private Discord. We're giving away a free week of premium. It's free to join. You don't even have to, no credit cards, anything like that. Just go ahead and join and get your free plays for that week. But yeah, make sure you guys, if you like the video, subscribe and like the video. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.